today on What Did I Get Now? I was ordering some stuff from Temu, got a special deal, so I picked up some more LED pod lights. These ones are kind of cool, but not exactly what I was expecting. There they are. Very good looking, nice quality, very bright. The only thing is, they're plastic. All plastic. Now, because of the deal, I got 4 of these suckers for $9. So I'm really not going to complain. But I am not about to put them on moose because, yeah, what we go through in moose, I'm going to snap them off. So, we were doing the headlights on this. That's a different episode. You can check that out. But, in this, we're going to add these inside my grill while I get it apart. We're going to pop them in here where they get lots of airflow, keep them cool, and yeah, add a little bit more light to my drive. Now in my case I'm cheating. I just popped out this, because this is very hard plastic. I popped out one of these and just dropped the bolt right through the hole. It just dropped right through, it's perfect. So there we go. Not bad. So I think for what I'm using them for, it's going to be plenty. We're not off-roading this beast. This thing's just for the road. This is the Ram, so I'm just wanting a little extra light for those foggy, crappy days. And there we have it. New lights inside the grill. And we get the new headlights, bulbs in on the other episode. So I'll have them all on later tonight to show you what it looks like. There we go. Lower lights on, the new LEDs in, and the new pods. Very nice. Look good. Definitely light things up. Yeah, you can tell there's the headlight, there's the running lights, and those little blue globs up there, that's the spot ones. So definitely a high beam type thing at night. We'll have to see what they do for us, but when I plug them in, they do, things do brighten up. So well, we'll see what it's like out in the dark sometime. So, as I was saying, I think they're a half decent buy, especially at the price I got them. They are Cree in the middle, so that's kind of why it gave off that weird blue in the center on the light. But when I turned them on there, it did light up the garage door. Like, my back was to it, and I felt it get brighter, saw it get brighter behind me. So even though the camera didn't really show much, they do work. As I say, the only thing kind of against them is that they are plastic. So, they'd be great for reverse lights. They'd be good behind a grill. Set back in the bumper enough, they're not going to get hurt. But I wouldn't put them, down below where they're going to get bumped and bashed, or up on top of your vehicle where they're going to get hurt. Right there in the grill, they work fine. But otherwise, I think they're worthwhile. They are bright. I did hook them up directly so I could drive with them, and I did notice a difference. Not a lot, but a difference. So because with this truck, those ones turn off when you turn your high beams on, you lose the driving light. They're basically a fog light, not a driving light. So they're great in low beam. High beam, they turn off, and you only end up with the headlights. So now having these in there gives me, when I have the high beams, gives me a little more light. So that's what they're like. They are pretty good, especially for the price. I think even regular, they're only like $20 a set, something like that. So very inexpensive, very lightweight. Like like I say, great if you're just putting them in behind a grill, doing that kind of things with them. They're pretty good. So that concludes that one. Not a bad buy for the money. They do work. We'll see how long they last, but I think behind the grill they're going to last quite a while. So with that, remember, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit the bell button so you don't miss any of the new episodes, and I will see you next video.